Good day, my name is Sheldon Lamprecht. I'm 33 years of age. I live in Port Elizabeth, Eastern Cape in South Africa. Today I would just like to talk about my farming experience. I've joined a warrior camp at Highgrade Training College. We have learned to work with many John Deere models, especially on the 8R340, where you work with the navigation system to also drive on its own, and then also how the implements work. I have also ripped with the 8R340. We've also worked with the Puna and also the Bonsmara, that is with the cattle, and I've learned to inject them. I've learned to do the needle in the ear to make them grow. That's for the feeding lot. Then we have also worked with the sheep, also how to work with the wool before they get shaved. I've also done the health and safety and agriculture business, and then I've also done the chemicals, agrochemicals, with pesticide, herbicide, and fertilizer. We have also learned how to work with the pivots. On the John Deere, we also have the knowledge to do services and also how to maintain them during the day before you go to work, how to clean them out, what to look for. We've also worked on the S680 and how the header works and the auger and how to service and maintain that specific John Deere. Also learned how to work with the equipment and how to rip and how to plant and how to spray. Feeding lot, I have the experience to maintain the cattle, also to check for health, what to do when they are sick. We also learned how to do the pregnancy check in the cows, and how to help them with their feeding to grow so that you can have more meat inside of your feeding lot. I also have experience in agriculture crop procedures. I also have basic experience in all of the equipment and how to maintain them as well and how to repair some of them. I'm also very fit and can do manual or labor work, and I hope to have an opportunity to go to America and prove myself as a hard worker from South Africa.